how to use ByBit Crypto Debit Card. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about this really great feature, a really great invention right now called the ByBit Card, allowing you to use your crypto or fiat to pay anything that you're trying to buy. You know how typical debit card or credit card works, where you use your card to purchase an item. Now, typically that would require you to use your own money, but now you're able to use your crypto or fiat to pay for the items that you have purchased. It's a really cool feature or a really cool invention that would allow you to easily purchase anything you want direct from your wallet or your crypto wallet. You're able to easily use it virtually and spend it instantly. So let's say you're purchasing an item from Amazon, you could easily use your ByBit Crypto Debit Card by entering its information just like how you enter your typical credit card or debit card information. As you can see here on their preview photos, you could easily tap it on card readers and so on and so forth. As you can see here, there are more benefits that you are able to get actually, such as you can earn up to 8% APR, you have free card issuance, no annual fees. You are able to get or receive 100 USD free every month, every single time, as you can see. And for VIPs, you are able to have worldwide delivery of your ByBit card. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you will be able to buy and get your own ByBit. And aside from that, you could also receive a 10% cashback from using your ByBit credit card. But of course, that's only for selected users. You could receive up to 10% cashback, up to $300 over here, which is really great. So it's an exclusive for new users, as you can see here. So how to participate, how to get the cashback guarantee or cashback reward. So first, apply for a ByBit card, then deposit at least $100 or its equivalent after the card application to qualify, and then spend with your ByBit card and earn 10% cashback up to 300% or $300 for new users or $150 for existing users within the first month. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.